Good morning students, welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Daboli Surat, Standard 10, Subject Mathematics, Chapter number 15, Probability. We start with exercise 15.1. In previous lecture we studied about up to question number 17. In question number 18, first of all, a box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 19. If one disc is drawn at random from a box, find the probability that it bears a two-digit number. First of all, there are how many two-digit number we want to find. Okay, so let's total number of two-digit in between 1 to 90 is 81. Total 81 number which have two digits in between 1 to 19. Okay, so probability of getting a two-digit number is equal to 81 out of 90. I just put the value of 81 in the formula of the probability in this sum. Okay, so 81 upon 90. 90 is total number of digits and this is the number of digits between 1 to 90. So 9 upon 10 is our probability for getting a two-digit number. For next, a perfect square number in between 1 to 19. So these all are the perfect square number 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, which we can easily take a square root of this number. Okay, so these are the numbers which are 9 numbers. So 9 numbers are in between 1 to 90 which have perfect square. Okay, so P of getting a perfect square means probability of getting a perfect square number in between 1 to 90 is equal to 9. There are 9 numbers out of 90. So I write 9 upon 90. So probability of getting perfect square is equal to 1 upon 10. Then next, a number divisible by 5. So let's we find how many numbers which have the divisibility with 5. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 20 up to 85 and 90 are 18 numbers. Total 18 numbers have divisibility with 5. Okay, so P of getting a number divisible by 5 is equal to 18. Total 18 number out of 19 have divisibility with 5. Okay, so 18 upon 90 is equal to 1 upon 5. Okay, in this way you can solve the problem like this. Then next, question number 19. A child has a die whose 6 faces. Shows the letter as given below. There are the die. Okay, there have A, B, C, D, E, A. There are 6 faces. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. So the die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting A? We want to find the probability for digit A. How many of the numbers which we get as a A? Okay, so for that first question, A on it having 2. So P of getting A is equal to 2 out of 6 because total number of faces is 6 and we get the result as a 2. So 2 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 3. Okay, so probability of getting A on the faces is 1 upon 3. And next, total number of faces having D on it is equal to 1. So P of getting D is equal to 1 upon 6. Okay, so P of getting D is equal to 1 upon 6. Then question number 20 is in homework and question number 21 is also in homework because these two sums are very easy. Okay, so try by yourself and give me answer at evening. Okay, question number 22. Two dice, one's blue and one grey, are thrown at the same time. So in this question, it is not tough question but long question. If you understand once, After that you can solve it easily. Okay, so two dice, one blue and one gray, are thrown at the same time. So there are only two dice, one is blue and one is gray. So write down the all possible outcomes and complete the following tables. Let's we see the table, what the table want to say us. Okay, event sum of two dice. Sum of two dice is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, means on each die the number are difference and summation of that numbers we want to find. Let's we solve this example. Okay, so there are the sum of two dice are up to 2 to 12. Okay, so probability of getting 2 is 1 upon 36. Probability of getting 8 on the dice is 5 upon 36, and sum of the two dice are 12, is having the probability 1 upon 36. Okay, so first one, it can be observed that to get the sum is as 2 possible outcome, means we want to find the get the sum as 2 is possible outcome of us. Okay, so on first die we get 1, and in second die we get 1. Okay, so 1 plus 1 it gives 2. So there is one outcome, and the probability is 1 upon 36, because there are 36 possible outcome for that die, and out of that we get one outcome for the sum of two dice. Okay, then next, to get the sum as 3 possible outcome, we want to find the possible outcome as a 3. So there are two possibilities. On first die we get 2, and in second 1, and another in first die we get 1 and another is 2. So there are two possibilities of getting the sum is equal to 3. Okay, so 2 comma 1 and 1 comma 2. To get the sum as 4 possible outcome, 3 comma 1, 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 2, because these three possibilities having sum is equal to 4. Okay, in this way, for this sum of 5, possible outcomes are 4 comma 1, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 2. In this all possibilities we can observe that 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, for sum as 6, possible outcome is equal to 5 comma 1, 1 comma 5, 2 comma 4, 4 comma 2 and 3 comma 3. These all possibilities have sum 6. You can observe that 5 comma 1, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, 1 comma 5 is equal to 6, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. In this way you can find the solution. Okay, in this way for 7 there is 6 comma 1, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5, 5 comma 2, 3 comma 4 and 4 comma 3 are the possible outcomes which have sum 7. Okay, so for sum as 8, possible outcome is equal to 6 comma 2, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 5, 5 comma 3 and 4 comma 4. This is for the 8. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 solution like this. Okay, let's we take for 9 possible outcomes. So there are 3 comma 6 means 6 plus 3 it gives 9, 6 plus 3 it gives 9, 4 plus 5 it gives 9 and 5 plus 4 it gives 9. Okay, so to get the sum as 10, so for possible outcomes are 4 comma 6, 6 comma 4 and 5 comma 5 which have summation 10. Okay, so to get the sum as 11, possible outcome 5 comma 6 and 6 comma 5 are the possible outcomes. So to get the sum as 12, possible outcome is 6 comma 6. So 6 comma 6 only one solution which have sum is equal to 12. Okay, let's we find out the possibility for each. So in first you can see that there are sum of two dice is equal to 2 having one solution. Okay, so out of 36 there are one possibilities that the 2 we can get as a sum of the dice. For 3 we know that there are two solutions, only 2 comma 1 and 1 comma 2. Okay, so there are two possibilities. So 2 upon 36 is the probability of the 3, and for 4 3 comma 36, and for 5 you can see that there are 1 2 3 4, there are 4 solutions which are possible outcomes for the sum 5. So probability of that is 4 upon 36. In this way you can get the probability of 2 to 12 number in this table. Okay, thank you so much.